Yo, what's up? This is fahmydangote, and today I'm in Heilbronn here in Germany. Yeah, so let's go and explore Heilbronn city. And Heilbronn city is very close to Karlsruhe city here in Germany. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you follow me on my social media accounts. So let's go, and this is the main central train station here in Heilbronn. Don't know where am I going to start, but yeah, let me see. Going to make it. And I think here they also use those as street trains. Colors is the same like in Karlsruhe. I think you can just see it right there. Just trying to find a way so I can go in Heilbronn city center right now. So let me just go with this bus right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So I'm very close to Heilbronn city center right here, and the city is very cool. It's very nice. Yeah. So drop your comment, like, share, and tell me if you like this city. So let's go and finish Heilbronn movie right here. And this is it, man. Wow. Heilbronn city. Here is like in Augsburg. Look like that, yeah. Looks like Augsburg here. Yeah. But I don't know. What's wrong with that lady? So I'm in city center right now. Yeah. Ooh. sun. It's hitting like crazy. Yeah. Innenstadt, the main city center of Heilbronn. What is this? Or maybe like this. Oh. It's like a corner or a shortcut just to go there. I thought maybe there is something to go and see inside it, but no. I also like this city, Heilbronn city. There is a wind here. It's very nice. It's very nice when wind comes. Otherwise, it's very hot. What is? Thank you. The church. Yeah. Oh. What is inside here? Let me just go and see it. So there is just shops inside here. Just shops. There is it inside here now. Woo. Let me just go on the other side. Yeah, let me just go on the other side. Because right there's nothing to go and see. Like there's nothing so special there. Yeah. Okay, we're going other side now. So we can finish here and go to the other city. And this is also like an open space where people can just kind of chill right here. Yeah. You can just see it right there. Well, I have to add my comment in this city, and it's going to be 9/10. Yeah, the city is very nice, it's very good, and I don't know about you. Just drop your comment there. Right. Oh. Look at this building. This is museum. Yeah. Museum in Deutscheshof. And I'm right here. Oh, I just came on this other side of this river. Yeah. Ooh. All right, so let me just go take the bus and go back to Heilbronn main central train station. Yeah, but I like the city. It's very nice, it's very cool. You gotta come here one time. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoy Heilbronn show. I hope you enjoy Heilbronn movie. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me through my all social media accounts. See you in the next city, see you in the next show. And I'm going to end this video right here. So subscribe, and this is how we do, this is how we roll. We outside. I love you. Holla, bye. See you in the next movie, baby. Subscribe. Bye bye. Mwah.